Hey everyone, P. Weather Pro here, and this is my first time trying out live. So I did this from the book on question 28. So R equals 3 sine theta, and that's a R inner and the R outer. Again, I'm sorry about my sloppy handwriting. I still don't have my touchscreen. R out is 2 minus sine theta. Now, first we'll be making a graph, and according to the graph, 3 sine will be right around there, and 2 minus sine theta will be right around there, and the area we're looking for is right up top. Now, I usually eyeball it, and this is pi to the 6, and this is pi half. Because I can tell this over there is 1/2, and this right over there looks like 1. So for other students, in order to find out what theta is, we usually put both R in and R out as equal to each other. So 3 sine theta minus 2 minus sine theta. So we put 3 sine at the other sign as minus. So we have 0 equal to minus sine theta. And if I'm going too slow for you, then I'm sorry about that. I'll be sure to make it quick next time. Minus 3 sine theta. So then I put 2 over there. So it's 2 equal negative sine theta minus 3 sine theta. And that's 2 equal negative 4 sine theta. So then I divide negative 4 on both sides, and we get plus or minus half equal sine theta. So theta, so since, and so in court, so if you have a trigonometry unit circle, then you should find out that sine theta of 1/2 is pi to the 6. And that's it. Now, to find an area, I have to find an area. It's what the heck? Excuse me for a second. Now we put 2 over there because there are 2 sides to find the area, and the integral of b, which is pi half, and pi to the 6. And let me see. It's Rn squared, which is 3 sine theta squared minus R out squared, 2 minus sine theta squared t theta. Now we put now we square them both, and you get 9 sine squared theta minus minus 4 plus 4 sine theta minus sine squared theta d theta. Now we could simplify it, since they are both there are 2 sine squared. We get there's 9 sine squared theta minus sine squared theta. That's gonna be 8 sine squared theta. Excuse me for a moment. All right, quick edit there. I had to run some errands a little. So 8 sine squared theta minus 4 plus 4 sine theta d theta. And since they are sine squared, I'm not a good memory person. That's why I'm using my phone. It's, well, I could just convert to 4. And sine squared, that's half times 1 over 1 minus cosine 2 theta minus 4 plus 4 sine theta d theta. Now we could take away 4 on both sides since there's positive and negative 4. So, oh wait, not yet because I would have to multiply 4 and 1 minus cosine 2 theta first. So we get that. I'm doing it fast. And we get 4 cosine 2 theta plus 4 sine theta d theta. Now we're done with the simplifying. Now here comes the best one. The integral. The integrating. That's going to be, oh, for cosine to theta, that has to be negative. So that's 4 over 2 sine 2 theta minus 4 cosine theta oh wait, that's pi over 6. Pi over 6 at the bottom and pi over 2 at the top. Then we exchange the theta into those two numbers. So negative 4 over 2 sine 2 theta, which is, or 2 times pi over 2, convert to exchange 2 and pi over 2, and you get just pi. So sine pi is 0. Minus 4 cosine pi over 2. Since cosine pi over 2 on the unit circle, that's going to also be 0. So negative 2 sine 2 times pi over 6, that's pi over 3. And so that's 1/2. 1/2, I think. Hang on, I'm trying to remember. Well, using the unit circle, that's going to be negative 2 times square root of 3 over 2 minus 4 cosine pi over 6. So cosine pi over 6 is going to be 1/2. So negative minus 4 times half. And since 4 over 2 is 2, and I could get rid of that. So that's going to be square root of 3 plus 2. And you don't really have to simplify that. You could just keep it there so that you won't waste time. And that's it. Hopefully you got the right answer. And if it didn't help, let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Shalom. God bless.